from Oh It's Just Mia, and today I'm going to be doing the Oh It's Just Mia squishy tag. And there is 6 questions on here, and I've seen a lot of people do squishy tags, so I thought that I would just create one myself. So, yeah. Sorry. But yeah, the first question is bread or cake. So, this is my bread squishy. It's really squishy. It's a really Kuma bread, though. It's like a really Kuma bread head. I don't know. Then this is my cake squishy. I'm gonna have to choose cake because this cake is more squishy and I just like cake better. Just less plain. The most fun to squish. In my opinion, this one is most fun to squish in my whole collection. It is my bun. Cinnamon bun. It has a lot of defects. It has that. It has those on the sides. Defects in here and here. Defects in here, down like the seam. It's just all in the seams. Like the seams get the most defects in them. This is my most fun to squish. Alright, so scented. This smells like pineapple. Or not scented. As much as I love not scented, I don't know why. I'm gonna have to go with scented because this smells like mango and pineapple. It just smells so good. I have tiny or big. As much as I do love these tiny squishies that I have, I'm gonna have to go with big because they're more fun to squish and they're a little bit easier to squish. Just have my raspberry cake. Okay, so next is colorful or plain. I'm gonna have to go with colorful because I don't really like plain squishies that much. But this is green cake roll. It's just really, really plain. I was gonna use this for plain because it's pretty plain, but I don't want to reuse it. Squishy that has the most defects, and I would have to say this one. There's a whole bunch of defects here, and it has a whole bunch of defects here. There's just so many cracks. Or I would have to say this one. This really, really squishy popcorn. There's defects all over here, on the sides, the bottom even. A few defects there. But yeah, that was the Oh It's Just Mia squishy tag. If you guys want to do this squishy tag, I tag everybody to do this squishy tag. I'm not really going to put them in the comments below, but I'm going to be doing, So yes, hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and click that little red subscribe down below, and make sure to comment down below what you guys thought of my new intro that I posted. It's going to be in this video, like at the beginning. But yeah, so see you guys later. Bye. Unicorn Squad out.